Hey Boo Boo, where do you live?
Hey, Jingo. I live in an apartment in the town. Ooh, ooh.
Where do plants and animals live?
Who cares where plants and animals live? I'm sure that they live in houses in the suburbs. Hee.
Wrong! Plants and animals live in habitats. In fact, your apartment is your habitat.
What is a habitat?
A habitat is any area in which a living thing moves, forages for food, reproduces, and dies. Many habitats may overlap, and living organisms may move from one habitat to another.
Are all habitats the same?
Nope. Habitats may differ in different regions. Habitats that have similar temperatures, sunlight, soil, water supply, and altitude may be grouped to form an ecosystem.
What are different habitats that can be found?
Some examples of habitats are grassland habitats, deserts, mountainous, estuaries, and deciduous forests. There are many other types of habitats too.
Tell me more about habitats.
Sure, Boo Boo. As I do so, you can do some research about animals in these habitats from the internet. Grassland habitats have tall grass with scattered groups of small trees. The temperatures can be quite hot in summer and mild in winter. The flora in grassland habitats include the acacia thorn tree, elephant grass, road grass, desert rose, lembombo aloe, buffalo grass, and finger grass.
Look! I found that impala, African elephant, sable antelope, lion, giraffe, wildebeest, buffalo, rhinoceros, aardvark, and the oxpecker bird are animals that live in grassland habitats. Such majestic animals.
Desert and semi-desert habitats are very dry, with few plants and animals that can survive in extreme heat and with little water. Rain seldom falls in desert habitats. Plants found in these habitats can be frickeys, prickly pear, quiver tree, bitterbush, and Cecil agave.
Oh yeah, and some desert and semi-desert animals are gemsbok, ostrich, caravel cat, tortoise, riverine rabbit, whip snake, cape cobra snake, elephant shrew, baboon spider, and gecko.
Mountain habitats are high above sea level. Living things in these habitats live in cooler temperatures, and there is quite a lot of water. Often it snows in winter on the highest peaks.
I love watching snow falling.
Plants that survive best in the mountain habitats include proteas, tree ferns, erica heather, dissa, and caterpillar grass.
Oh, wow! I discovered that mountain animals that can be found are the vulture, fish eagle, hyrax, zebra, cheetah, leopard, rock jumper bird, rock scorpion, ground hornbill bird, and the hogsback mountain frog. So many kinds of animals. Yeah.
An estuary is the region where a river flows into the sea. Living things in an estuary can often live in both fresh water and seawater. There needs to be a balance in estuary habitats so that life can survive. Palm trees, avocado trees, Hottentot fig trees, red-hot poker aloe, encema grass, and hibiscus plants can live in this habitat. What have you found out about the animals, Boo Boo?
Sharks, crocodiles, turtles, galloon fish, mussels, hermit crabs, seahorses, crayfish, clams, and the hippopotamus are parts of the estuary habitat. Dip doop.
A deciduous forest has trees that shed their leaves during cold months, Brrr. In the warmer months, the leaves regrow on the trees. It is very dark under the trees and the ground is covered with small plants and dead leaves. Plants that grow in deciduous forests are the stinkwood tree, yellowwood tree, cycads, ferns, Cape ash tree, and arum lily.
Oh, wow! The deciduous forest animals are so different. Whew! The lory bird, dwarf chameleon, vervet monkey, civet cat, masked weaver, warthog, pickergrill's reed frog, earthworm, wild dog, and guinea fowl are animals that inhabit deciduous forests.
I didn't know that habitats are so interesting. Do you understand what habitat is, Boo Boo?
Yippee! From now on, I'm going to take more care of habitats.
I agree. Pollution and unsustainable living will destroy the habitats. We need to be careful.
That is so true. Humans must conserve and replenish the natural environment so that the living things can thrive and flourish.